I've got the Winter Breo Box, so if you want to see what cool tech they've got in here this month, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me and Chloe is just off doing Chloe things. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is the Breo Box. There's usually some pretty cool tech in here. We're going to get into it and see what's in here. We got this nice big bag of goodies. Now, there was one choice item, I believe, and I don't know anything else that's in here. I haven't seen any spoilers. So let's get into it. All right. So there is a little scan thing that's going to take you to give you more information. But I can't scan that and do this. So let's see what we have. We have by That Inventions a Heat That Dip. Oh, that'll be great for fondue. We love fondue. All right. So it shows, I guess it sits on something and I don't know, I'm going to take it out and look. It absorbs and releases heat in a controlled and gradual manner. Heat That Dip will continuously heat your dip without messy electrical cords or batteries. Heat is completely sealed and radiates through a matching heat chamber. No energy is wasted. Perfect for salsa, queso, spinach artichoke, fondue, lobster bisque, and more. All right, there's a little thing that comes with it. Little directions or something. So this is a lid. And then here is the thing that you're going to put your dip in. And then this, you're going to microwave it, it says, for 1 minute. And then it's hot. So it says don't touch. It's going to be hot. And that's what's going to deliver that heat. All right, that's pretty cool. I've never even heard of it, anything like this before. Next, we have a Renfo Mini Thermal. Rock your wellness. Let's see. Create a style to match your mood. Heating action for fast muscle relaxation on the go that fits in your pocket. And it has 2 change-in colors. So this is just going to be like a little massager for your back or your leg or wherever you get a little bit of soreness. I get it in my back and my neck. So there's a little carry case. And your little heat gun is in there with different attachments for different types, I guess. So here we go. It does have a little cord on the bottom. And then it just has different, I guess you take this off. Yeah. Different, oh, that'd be good on your neck. Oh, just imagine that. Tension and day. Oh, nice. All right, and there's just all different little heads that you can replace this one with. This one is good for your back. That's going to get like real deep into your back, into your spine. Nice. Unfortunately, it didn't come charged, so I can't show you what the speed looks like, but pretty excited. I have back issues. I was in a car accident in 2014, and ever since then my back and my neck have been unpleasant at times. So that's perfect. Next is, oh, I think I did know about this because I think the choice was in the scents for this. So this is the Pure Car Diffuser. So this is a fragrance diffuser, and I have one of the wall ones, and I love it. And so I chose the pumpkin chai. And that's going to fit probably right in your cup holder. But it does have like a little thing to carry it. And you're going to pop your scent thing right in there. And you've got a little charger there. So you know, you can just use that charging port in your car if you have one. And then here is the little disc that goes in there. Super excited about that. I love my Pura. And I get my refills on Good Morning America. I've never seen the car ones. Maybe they have them and I just didn't look. Good Morning America Deals and Steals. Keep your eye out for that and you get 50% off. Next, we have a Good Grips. Oh, this is a lint roller. Nice. Always can use one of those. That's going to go right in my office. And what is this? This is a Go Dice. Dice Games Come Alive. Okay. I don't know anything about that. It's the best dice games of all times of the 21st century. A set of innovative, connected dice which turn your tablet into a new interactive board game. Okay. Well, that's interesting. I don't think I'll use that, but I don't know. Maybe my nephew will. He might like something like that. I'm not sure. I'll have to ask, but it looks pretty cool. All right, that is my Breo box. Tell me your thoughts. I'm pretty excited this month, actually. Last month I wasn't so excited. I was like, eh. But I really like the 3 major items in there. So super excited. This is the only thing I'm like, I don't even know what this is for. I don't know. So everything else looks pretty cool. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.